For today's homework assignment, students will have to compare fractions on a number line. So we have two fractions here. We have 1/2, and we have to compare that to 3/8. The only way we can compare these fractions is to create like denominators. Now, there is a number line provided for them on their homework. The number line is already partitioned into parts. So if they count the parts, meaning like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, they will realize that it is already partitioned into eighths, which means our fraction of 3/8 is not going to change. We need to see what we can do to 1/2 in order to turn that into a fraction that has a denominator of 8. So I'm going to write out my multiples: 2, 4, 6, 8, and I can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 times 4 equals 8. I'm also going to do the same thing to my numerator. So now my new fraction becomes 4/8. Now I can compare them properly and fill out my number line. So we already have 0 started here. I'm going to just go down 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, which is the same thing as 8/8. Now I can go ahead and plot 4/8, which is my first fraction, and 3/8. 4/8 is also known as 1/2, so they should also be able to recognize that. However, we're going to compare those 3/8 to 4/8. Now I can see that 4/8 is the larger fraction, so 1/2 or 4/8 is greater than 3/8. And that is how we compare fractions.